Uh, hello Code Crab. This crab is going to show you how to install your Visual Studio Code on your Windows 10, 8 and 7. As I have said, you double click on Visual Studio Code or you right click on your mouse and click open, but I have said you must double click on setup, and after double click on setup they will show you the welcome wizard for Visual Studio Code. And I have said you click next for or cancel for canceling the setup, or next for continuing the installation. You hit next, and after they show you some recent agreement that Microsoft Visual Studio Code use, and I'm command you to read the installation, the recent agreement, cause some recent agreement will affect your laptop, but this Visual Studio Code is easy and it will be good. And you hit accept the recent agreement, and after hitting the recent agreement you press next, and after that they show you the destination location. Destination location is where your Visual Studio Code will be installed, but it will be in a folder where your studio code will be installed. At least it will use 193.0 MB for free disk is required. That this MB is required when you have already installed your Visual Studio Code. And after that you hit next, and after hitting the next they will show you the select start menu folder. The folder, or as I said, it will be Visual Studio Code, and you leave it at default. You can put it on your start menu folder, or you leave it. And after that you hit next, and after hitting next they show you some additional tasks. The additional task, it will be the pathways where you will go when you want to open your Visual Studio Code. And please, you can create desktop icon or add path on the after restarting the Visual Studio Code. But here I'm going to recommend you to create desktop icon by hitting this, and after the path available after restart, select here in order to Visual Studio Code to be shown on your desktop. And after that you hit the next. After hitting the next, they will show you what you already have said as the destination location. It will be on C, user, app, data, location and program, and then Microsoft Visual Studio Code. And in Microsoft Visual Studio Code it will be a folder called Visual Studio Code menu folder, and additional task that will be shown are additional icon and create desktop icon. Those are the pathway or tasks that will be shown on your Windows, and other are the path that are available after restart. And after that you click install, and after the install it will be cool because it will run very fast. As my friends have said, if you like the video, please hit subscribe button, and after hitting the subscribe button, and the next video I'm going to show you how to download it from the web, and it will be cool if you say put subscribe on my YouTube channel. It will be good. It will run very fast. Here after the installation they will complete the Visual Studio Code wizard. The Visual Studio Code wizard, it will show that if you have already finished in the installation, and you hit the finish, and before hitting the finish you can launch your Visual Studio Code or not, but you are not going to launch the Visual Studio Code because you have already shown how it is looking like, and you hit finish. And after hitting finish, you will see the Visual Studio Code setup on your desktop as you have said on the recent agreement. This is Visual Studio Code, and this is the setup of Visual Studio Code, which is not an installer. You can delete it or put it in the recycle bin. It will be no problem, but the original Visual Studio Code is like this. You can double click when you want to open, or right click by and click open, but here I command you to double click on the setup, and after that the setup, it will be really cool and to show you the Visual Studio Code on your machine. And after this is the Visual Studio Code, this is the search menu, this is the pathways, and this is some variables in the tutorial, and you can watch it very clear. And the extension, as I have said, you can here download some extension. This is extension that I have already downloaded on my Visual Studio Code, like Git history, Git ignore, Git ends, and Java extension package, and Java task, and JavaScript code snippets, and there will be this is good snippets, and C++, C Sharp, and C Node.js, and it will be cool when you want to learn them. And if you want to test your codes, you can write here and you test the code, and Git lens. This Git lens will provide you pathways to GitHub, and it will be cool when you are writing your codes and you want to put it on GitHub. It will be good. This is the Docker, and it will be cool software, and this is PowerShell. This is PowerShell extension which will be used in your laptop. Thanks, and please hit subscribe if you like the video, and please share this video to other people if they need the good software editing that will be useful. Thanks. Hit subscribe if you like, and ready for the next video. Please wait and click the next video on how to download it from the web. Thanks. Bye bye. Bye bye. May God bless you all. Thanks.